Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off autoplay videos in Facebook. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. You guys have to simply open up Facebook app on your mobile phone. So after opening up the Facebook app on your mobile phone, here you guys have to just simply tap on your profile icon on the top right. So after tapping on it, here you guys have to just simply scroll down until you find an option which is setting and privacy. So you guys have to just simply click on it. So it will provide you a drop down menu. You guys have to just simply click on settings. And here in the settings, you guys have to just scroll down until you find an option which is media. So you guys have to just simply click on it, and here you guys have to just simply go to autoplay section, and here you guys can adjust the autoplay setting. You guys have to just simply click on this one. So after checking the mark to never autoplay videos, you can turn off the autoplay video in Facebook. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.